I'm back at my llama-induced country studio to bring you the latest in Azure Cloud tech. Using a satellite connection on farm Wi-Fi. Yeah, I'll just wait a second to let the connection catch up. This time on the show, Azure Functions custom handlers are now in preview, 101 services now supported on FedRamp for Azure Government, and Flatcar container Linux. What does that even mean? You're watching Azure This Week, a show produced on the back of a hay bale while connected to the cloud computing infrastructure of ACG. Currently, Azure Functions offers native support for several programming languages, including C#, JavaScript, F#, and more. But what if you want to use Ruby or COBOL or Fortran? Yeah, I know, the cloud computing development community for COBOL has been asking this for a long time. Now in preview, you can register what is called custom handlers by providing a lightweight HTTP server in any desired language. The function will call the server to get the code executed, and you can use this new capability to extend the language support for your applications, enabling the use of languages or language versions not provided by Azure Functions. Try it out today. Azure Government is a dedicated platform with data centers and services for US government agencies and their partners. Us mere mortals can't get access, and that is the whole point. Azure Government has a range of much stricter requirements and certification standards than normal Azure. FedRamp is the Federal Risk and Authorization Management Program. 101 Azure services are now covered by FedRamp's high provisional authorization to operate, which means they can be used by federal agencies. Other standards and names thrown around like it's Friday night at the skating rink are NIST 800-53, Office of Management and Budget, and Government Audit Scope Documentation. I'm sure it all makes sense if you're a spy. Now in our recurring segment, I had no idea that was on Azure. This week I have a new word. Flatcar. Flatcar is an immutable Linux distribution for containers and a compatible fork of CoreOS Container Linux. Forks. CoreOS Container Linux will reach its end of life on May 26, 2020, after which it is advised to migrate to Flatcar. So there you have it, Flatcar. God damn Volkswagen Golf. Time to get the llama then. Can there be any more news from the cloud, you ask? Yes, but you will have to wait until next week. As we say on the A Cloud Guru team when we have to record from a secret location in the Victorian countryside, seek and you shall llama. So see you next week and keep staying calm, Cloud Gurus.